Then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I'm in Middlesbrough town centre and I thought I'm going to get myself a shawarma from today's shawarma in town. So let's go inside today's shawarma, let's try the shawarma out. So here's all your menu here guys, there's all your prices as well. We've gone for the chicken shawarma and the naan. Here's all your sauces options here, and you got all your salad here as well. Some offers on here guys, here's all the options. It's really good offers on here. It's amazing. Eat fresh every day. They do pizzas, they do shawarmas, and they do roast chickens. Wow. We got plenty of seating areas here guys. Here's a big shawarma place. We got plenty of seating areas. Got the view outside here guys, look at that. So where we sat, we got the view outside here. So here we are guys, we got our chicken shawarma here. Right, let's open this. Our chicken shawarma here with all the salad. Wow, that looks absolutely incredible. Wow, let's give this a taste. Oh wow, that was absolutely incredible. Plenty of flavours coming out of that chicken shawarma. You can taste the chicken, which is very nice, very soft, and you can taste the garlic sauce. Garlic sauce is really nice as well. Which is fantastic, and plus the naan is very soft as well, as it's just been freshly made. Inside that guys, wow, all the salad in that. You got lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, and that lovely chicken shawarma. This chicken shawarma cost me £4.50. You can either choose your naan, you can get your chicken shawarma in the naan or a bun, but we thought we'll go for our naan. They do also cup of teas, they do coffees, they do hot chocolates. So that's just to let you guys know about that as well. And here's all your drink options here as well. Right then guys, we've just finished our shawarma there, and I must say the shawarma was absolutely amazing. It was really good shawarma. This is the first time I've actually tried the shawarma from the shawarma shop in the town, and yeah, I think it was really good. Overall it was really good. Customer service was good as well. Lads behind the counter was really nice and friendly, smiling. But yeah, it was fantastic. So let's finish up the vlog here everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. See you all for the next one.